Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Vijeta online classes here. In the last session, we have learned so many topics here. List, order list, unordered list, definition list or description list we have learned. Now that you are going to be learn a new topic. It is very easy topic also. This new topic is here HTML comments. HTML comment. What is mean by comment? General thing here. This boy is good, this boy is bad, this subject is very hard. We are going to get a comment. After writing the exam, how you are written, what is the comment of your, then all things we are going to be say. Is it clear? After seeing the movie also, what is the comment of your movie means here? Good, bad, or we are going to be say like this. In the same way, in the HTML, what is the use of this comment means here? Suppose I developing the program, but somebody did not know the HTML. How they can identify what type of program it is? To write, to know about the what type of program, we are going to be used here comment. నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్ డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి నాకు తెలుస్తుంది ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ దేనికి సంబంధించింది అని. అసలు హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ తెలియని వాళ్ళకి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏంటో ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? బై యూజింగ్ ఏ కామెంట్ ఐ కెన్ ఈజీలీ ఐడెంటిఫైడ్ వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఓకే, here let us see here HTML comments are not displayed in the browser only to know what type of program it is. It does not disturb to the HTML web page. Okay, to know what type of program, to know what type of source code it is. Source code ante manam rase program ni we are going to be call it as here source code. Okay, and let us see here for this comment what tags we are going to be used. What tag we are going to be used? You can add the comment to the HTML source by using the following syntax. This is the syntax of the comment. This is the syntax of the comment. Let us see here. I wanted to open a notepad. I wanted to open a notepad. What we are going to do here? Click here and make here notepad. In the notepad, here, this is notepad, right? In the notepad, I am typing here. What the comment here? Let us see here. What is the comment here? What is how to write a comment here? Less than symbol, this exclamatory mark, and write your comment and close this tag. Okay. In the same way, I am also writing this. I am copying here, and next here I am going to make it on the web page notepad. Okay. Let us see how it is here. Paste. Okay. But here I am writing here. Write a program about comment. Sorry, comment, right? This is a how to write a comment in this here. This is a comment we are writing about the program. What is a program here? How to write a comment. Is it clear, all of you? Next I am writing here HTML. Okay, in this HTML I used here title about comment comments. Okay, I am slash title. Okay, in the slash title again I am closing here. I have forgotten it. You have to write here head section. I missed it. No one. Okay, next here again I am writing here slash head. Okay, then again I am writing here body. In the body I am writing here comment. I am writing here comment. Where it is exclamatory mark in the sorry. What we have to write here? Go to the cursor here. Write the exclamatory mark. dash dash, then I am writing body is used to create the web 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 page. Okay, then again I am closing the comment. Is this anything is occurs to the web page? No, it is only to understand what is mean by body. Okay, here I am writing here head section h1. How to write a comment. Okay, then I am closing the head section. Okay, then again I am closing the body section. Closing means how, what symbol we have to, slash symbol. Then again I am going to close it to slash html. Okay, then again I am saving here file save. Where this I am saving here, become fine layer. What I am saving here, comment dot html. Okay, I am clicking yes. Okay, now let us see where this is there. Okay, let us see where it is. Here I am opening the become fine layer. Here I am opening the become file layer web. Where it is here, comment. See here the comment is there. Right click, open it. You are going to get a web page. You are going to get a web page. How to write a comment. How to write a comment. See here. But let us see, I have written so many options. I have written so many. Body is used to create the web page. Write a program. Write write a program about the comment. Is it any occurs in the web page? Have you seen anything on the web page? No, it is only used to know what type of program we are using. This is only used to know what type of program we are using here. Okay, what type of program we are using here, that is the main use of here comment. Let us see here, I am deleting this one comment. I am deleting this one and now check here file save. Then I am clicking here. Let us see the body is used to create a web page. But ఇది రావద్దు అంటే నాకు ఏం రాయాలి ఇక్కడ? What we have to write here? Comments. What we have to write here? What we have to write here? Comments. Okay, we should not be disturbed to the source code. It should not be disturbed to the source code. ఈ source code ని disturb చేయదు. Web page, it cannot be displayed on the web page. Again I am seeing here I have written like this comment. Okay, let us check it out here. File save, and next here I am going to be created here. See how to write. Only one comment is going to be get this one only use of the comment, how to write a comment. But this is only ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తెలియని వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. బాడీ అంటే ఏంటి, హెడ్ అంటే ఏంటి, we don't know those other people. That's why I'm describing what is mean by body. The body is used to create a web page. And again I am writing the title is used to create the, see here I am writing here title is used to create the name of the web page. Title is used to create the name of the web page. Is it clear? File save. But anything is happened here? No, it is as it is come only. It is only to know what is mean by title. What is mean by title. Let us see anything, any changes is going to be occurred here? No changes. But if I remove this title, if I remove this title, it going to be displayed on the web page. If I remove this title, let us see here, if I remove this comment by using in the title, What is this? What is you are going to see the answer here? See, the title is used to create the name of the web page. To avoid this page, to avoid this text, I'm going to be used here. I'm going to be used here the comment. The comment is used to know about what type of program it is. Here the comment is written in the C and C++ we have the comment how to create a comment. Here also we have here comment. Less than symbol, exclamatory mark and two slashes and the end of the slash we are going to be used. This is the use of here comment. This is the use of here comment. Let us see, I'm going to be show you another one here. And next here the comment tag. See here the comment tag is going to be written like this. Notice that the exclamation point and starting tag but not in the ending tag. Exclamatory mark can only be right in the starting tag. Exclamatory mark can only be writing in the starting tag, not in the ending tag. Okay. And the comments are only displayed by the browser. Comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help the document of your HTML HTML source code. Okay, all of you. And come to the next section here. Example I am writing here. Exclamatory mark, this is a comment. P, this is a paragraph. And remember, add more information here. Let us see the output here. What we are going to get output. See here. This is a comment. Document type HTML. This is also a comment, right? This is also a comment. And in the HTML, here only I have written only the body. In the body I use the comment. In the body I use the comment. Two comments I used, but appears in the appears in the web page. This is the output. Okay, this is the output. I am going to be showing the only single page. It is very easy to remember you. Okay. This is the page and this is the comment. Two comments I have written. Two comments I have written. But what it happens here, two comments I have written here, what it happens here? Suppose I am changing here, okay? I am changing something, okay? I and make it run option. Will they get any option there? No. But I am changing here. Paragraph and comment I am writing here. I am going to be save here. Next here I am running here. See, the comment is going to be changed. Okay, all of you. And that is the use of here comment. Here also I am changing this one. మనకు వెబ్ పేజ్లో కనిపించకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే you are going to be used here comment. That is the main advantage of here comment. Comment is not displayed in the browser. The comment is not displayed in the browser but it displayed on the browser. If the comment did not wanted to display it on the browser, you are going to be used a symbol. That symbol is known as exclamatory mark. This exclamatory mark can be used only in the starting, not at all in the ending. The comments are not displayed in the browser, not displayed in the browser. That is the main use of here comments. That is the main use of here comments. So hope you all are see here. This is a program, this is a paragraph and the comment is going to be displayed here. Okay, that is nothing but this is a program, this is the output we are going to be get. Is it clear all of you? And today we are going to be learn about the comment. Today we have learned about the comment, what is mean by comment and what symbol we are going to be used for the comment. Example, see here. Do not display all these things. Exercise, let us see the HTML exercise here. See, Exercise using HTML comment tag to make a comment out of this is a comment text. H1 P tag. This is a comment. What we have to write here? What we have to write here? Less than symbol, exclamatory mark, dash dash dash, and next here dash dash greater than symbol. Is it right? Let us see the output here. Answer. Answer is here correct. Answer is here correct. Is it clear? Submit the answer, and here I wanted to see the answer also. See the answer means show the answer. It's going to be hidden. It is the correct answer. Okay. This is the program. This is the heading. This is a paragraph. To create a comment, we are going to be use these symbols. Okay. These symbols we are going to be used. In the starting only we are going to be used here exclamatory mark. Ending we cannot use the exclamatory mark. Okay. Thank you. One and all.